In front of me is OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, you need to reach settings, then find and select additional settings and go to date and time. And as you can see, you can have the automatic setup, but you can smoothly turn it off by using the switcher. And now just select the time zone, and then you can smoothly change date and time in your device. So let's go back in time to 2001, and then it's the same with the time, so smoothly click on time and you can pick it manually by yourself. And this is it. Now we are living in this time zone with this date and time. However, whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, whenever you would like to go back to GPS or network provided date and time, just unmark the switcher and that's it. So that will be all. This is how you can manage date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.